Alright guys, today I'm back with an unboxing. It is Bleach, the Entry Season 2 box set. And I got this from my local Page 3's Game Zone, Pikeville, Kentucky. And I got this for $14.99. And also with Season 3. And I also got that with Season 4, Part 1. $14.99. Not bad, I have to say. But, oh well. Anyway, front you have Ichigo and Renji on the front as their foot. Top, as you can see, it's been through hell of a lot. Got some shelfware. Spine. Bottom. This one has 525 minutes. Doesn't say what episodes. There's that. Let's see, does it say what episode? Oh, right there. And there we go. 21 to 41. Episodes 21 to 41. Right? Oh, yeah. Let you read that if you want. There's that. Oh, and there's also Zangetsu right there, if you can see all this. Let's see, and oh, right there's Yodorichi, or something like that, I'm guessing. Alright, that's it. Alright. Front, spine, whatever. Oh yeah, I also get like a poster. Of Ichigo. There we go. This is like the older version. There's that. There we go. Right here. Disc 1 has episodes 21 to 24. Disc 2, 25 to 28. Disc 3, 29 to 32. Disc 4, 33 to 36. And Disc 5, 37 to 41. Disc 1. Jin. Or Jean. Whatever. Disc 2. Renji with his bloody look going. Disc 3. Zenpachi. Rukia. And Disc 5. And that's it. Alright guys, that was my unboxing of Bleach Season 2 box set. Like I always say, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.